This dictation material has been obtained from Commonwealth Para 18. In those days, I was an even better walker than I am today, and as you know, I still very much like a good quick walk. Full stop. Well, on that particular August morning, I set out quite early before the day was too warm for easy walking. Full stop. I carried with me enough food to meet my small needs and was therefore able to keep away from tones of any kind. Full stop. I was healthy in the way that the young are healthy, and I walked with quick, easy steps, covering the first 8 miles of the road in just under 2 hours. Full stop. But with the increasing warmth of the day, my rate fell little by little until in the full heat of the day I found that I was doing very little more than 2.5 miles an hour. Full stop. Even the small additional weight of the food I was carrying troubled me, and it was by this time several hours since my last meal. It seemed reasonable that I should look out for a place where I could rest and have a meal in peace. Full stop. After a time, I reached a point where the road comes very near to a small river, and I was pleased enough by that time to walk across the field and to find near the water some undergrowth high enough to offer me some cover from the full light and heat of the open countryside round about. Full stop. I took water from the clear, quick running river and built a small fire upon some stones and so made my simple meal. Full stop. Such was the heat of the day that it was as much as I could do to keep my eyes open, but using all my willpower, I was about to clear away the rest of the food when I was standing before me a little old woman. Full stop. So lined was her face that it seemed to me there was no room left upon it for any personal expression or feeling, and her dress was as old as her face. Full stop. Standing there, she appeared to me to be not of this day, not of yesterday, and not of tomorrow, but to the present time itself. Full stop. But when she began to speak, I found her words were commonplace enough. Full stop. Sir, she said, could you give me some bread and perhaps some milk? Question mark. I immediately began to clean up the piece of ground which had served as a table for me, making a place for the old woman to sit. Full stop. I saw, however, that she took almost nothing of the food and drink offered to her, and she sat without speaking. I watched her face. Full stop. Tell me, old woman, I said to my own complete surprise, were you always as you are now, or were you once young and beautiful? Question mark. Had you once a home and a family, or have you always walked these roads and fields? Question mark. The old woman turned her head and looked at me for a long time without speaking. Full stop. The lines on her face grew even deeper. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat Lahore, as well as Principal Ajmer Shorthand and Computer College Shahra. चला लो यार